Welcome, dear students. Hope you are fine. As you know that we have been doing our grammar part of second semester, and today we'll be doing the essay writing, and the topic is visit to beach. Students, visiting a beach is actually a recreation activity. So what is the meaning of recreation? Recreation is activity that one is doing for relaxation and when one is not working. Or you can say it is for fun, to relax one's mind. Recreational activities serves as a means of relaxation. They helps you to maintain your physical and mental health, and definitely they improve one's life, quality of life. So let's start the topic. And visit to beach. What is beach? Beach is, as you know, a pebbly or sandy shore, and beaches are always popular for recreation and for amusement source. Or you can say beach is an area of sand or small stones near the sea. And all of you must have got the experience to visit the beach, definitely. So let's start the topic. A visit to any place can be an amazing adventure. What is adventure? Adventure is anything that is unusual, an exciting or a daring experience. You can say adventure is about seeing the world from a different perspective, even if you have seen that view million times before. But that when it becomes adventurous for you, at that time you are seeing that point in a different angle. You can see it is choosing to see the beauty from the ordinary and finding ways on how to do it differently. A beach can be, it is very common for everybody, but for someone it can be adventurous to visit it. Someone may does like it most, someone may doesn't like it. This is how it is adventurous. So adventurous is something which is unusual and exciting. The one place I never get tired of visiting is the beach. It is the essay someone is narrating his experience about visiting the beach. I go to beach almost every weekend. The sea breeze refreshes our mind. I like to gaze at the horizon. I feel as the sky bows down and touches the sea. You see, this is how one is narrating or expressing his own feelings about visiting the beach. You may be having different feelings, may not be having the same feelings, may be different ones. Last weekend, I went to the beach with my parents. There were many vendors on the beach. I could see a few children making a sand castle. Far away in the sea, I could see a ship. The beautiful sight of sunset was breathtaking. It was almost 10 p.m. when we came back home with a refreshed and relaxed mind. I hope, student, this is very easy. I have used very easy language for you, for your sake. This is someone's perspective or someone's view or angle of looking or talking about a visit to beach. I want you, as I know that all of you have visited the beach, you are going to write this text or this essay on your notebooks. This is your classwork. But your homework is that you are going to write down your own experience when you visit the beach. What did you see there? What did you find there? What were your findings? What were your feelings about visiting a beach? I want you to think about a day when you visit the beach. When did you left home? When did you reach there? With whom you visited that place? maybe with your family, your parents, your grandparents, or your friends. With whom? And what did you find? How did you find that place for you? What specific things you notice over there? Such kind of things you are going to write down on your essay. That is your homework. This is your classwork, and that is the part of your self-writing, which you are going to talk about your personal experience. I hope you have understood what I mean. This is all about the essay writing. I hope you have enjoyed the topic as well.